When you're overwhelmed with tasks, you need a quick way to filter the noise quickly. One great way is to use a tool that helped win World War II, the Eisenhower Matrix. Dwight Eisenhower, commander of the Allied forces in Europe, is famous for saying, "What is important is seldom urgent, and what is urgent is seldom important." He divided up his work into 4 categories based on that principle. Hi, I'm Ryan, and today I'll show you how you can use it too. You can use a software tool or pencil and paper. This free web-based Eisenhower Matrix tool linked in the description is my favorite option because it's super easy to get started. It's free and it saves the data locally so I can come back later. The Eisenhower Matrix is divided into 4 classic quadrants. Do first, which are tasks that are urgent and important. Schedule, which are tasks that are not urgent but important. Delegate, which are tasks that are urgent but not important. And eliminate, which are tasks that aren't urgent or important. When you visualize your tasks this way, it makes it clear when you're spending too much time on urgent tasks rather than truly important ones. To get started, you can simply click the Add Task button at the top of the window, or you can click the plus button inside any one of the quadrants. Select what quadrant the task should be in, give your task a title, and then click Add Task. You can also just hit Enter. As soon as you hit Enter, your task is added to that specific list. It's a fast, text-first approach that lets you perform a brain dump of everything on your plate. The tool is highly interactive. If you realize a task isn't as urgent as you first thought, just click and drag it into a different quadrant. The layout updates instantly to reflect your new priorities. To keep your workspace clean, you can remove tasks just as easily. Click the delete icon next to any item once it's completed or if it's no longer relevant to your goals. Now, you might be wondering if you'll lose your data if you close the tab. One of the best features here is that unlike other Eisenhower Matrix templates, this tool uses your browser's local storage. This means your tasks are saved directly onto your computer. You don't need to create an account or remember a password. You can leave the page, come back tomorrow, and your matrix will be exactly how you left it. Once you're finished entering your tasks, you can easily see where your attention is going. So you can make sure you're focusing your energy on the most important things, not just the noisiest. It's a simple, effective way to regain control of your schedule without the overhead of a complex system. Check the link in the description to try the tool for yourself, and be sure to subscribe for more productivity tips.